Good morning, everyone. Um, Obviously, we know every game is crucial for us now, especially looking at where we find ourselves in the table. And, you know, we hoped we could have done a bit better in the last game, especially knowing that we're playing to be on that top eight. But I guess, and I think nothing is lost yet. We still have one more game to go, and we've been preparing, focused on what we can do better for the coming game, and hopefully we can get all 3 points.
Thank you very much, members of the media. It's your turn now. Please get on with it.
Dovi, how much is the pressure knowing that the results just don't depend on your game? There's Chifa playing, there's Magumo Gallants playing. All those, if they win, that means you can also be out of top eight. How much is the pressure knowing that the results in your hand only doesn't make sense?
I think we can only control what we can. Whatever we can't, we leave it in God's hands. I think the most important thing is focusing on ourselves, and we'll do the counting at the end. All we want is making sure that come Saturday we're ready and we get a positive result out of the game. But other games, I don't think it's in our hands to focus on what they do or they don't do.
How are you physically, mentally? I mean, we had like a very serious injury. We probably thought we weren't going to see you again. And then you come back straight into the lineup, 90 minutes every week. Like, couldn't have been easy.
Obviously, it's never easy getting injured, but it's by the grace of God that I'm standing here today. And also I need to thank the club, my physios, my teammates, for all the support that have been giving me throughout my injury. And yeah, I think if your mind is in the right frame, it's easy to overcome difficulties, and I think I'm proof of that. I recovered really quick, but it was only possible, because I wanted it more, and with the help of the people around me, it was easy to accomplish that. So yeah, I'm feeling okay physically, mentally. I'm okay.
Talking of possibilities, your contract is coming to an end in June, and on the 30th of June. How do you look at the possibilities of the way you have played and the chances of renewing your contract?
I think as what I said, you can only focus on what you can control. Whatever you can't, you just leave it in God's hands. At the moment, I'm focused on what I can do to help the team qualifying for the top eight. The rest is just rest. Thank you.
With all due respect, when you speak about qualifying for the top eight and the magnitude of this club, how does that make you feel that a club such as Chiefs is fighting to qualify for the top eight?
I think I've said this before. This is probably, not probably, is one of the biggest teams in Africa. And when you come here to win titles, not to build or not to find yourself in positions where we find ourselves now. So from my particular opinion, I think at some point we have failed the club because we failed to deliver, but that's why we given chances to fight each and every opportunity we have. At this point in time, we can only we can't dwell on the past. We have to look forward and see what's ahead of us. Yes, obviously we could have had a better season. We could have done better. That is the sentiment amongst the group. But I think now we just wanna focus on what we can do at the moment, and that's qualifying for the top eight.
And in hindsight as well, when you look at your time in totality since you've been at the club, how would you look at it considering the injuries and recently now winning the Nedbank Cup and now trying to qualify for the top eight? In totality, how would you say Davi's seasons has been at the club?
Obviously, that's what I say. That I think when I came here, my mind was clear. I came here to do big things, to win titles, to improve also as not only as a player but as a human being. So as I said, it's a feeling of failure because at the end I can say I got something, but it's not what I had projected, but I mean we can only look at what's ahead and keep going.
Oh, I mean, sometimes comparison may be just immature. But from what you said, where you come from, where we have a dog who can even score, but seems to be playing more limited towards your performance, or is it an instruction?
I wouldn't say so. When things don't go so well, we tend to look at a lot of things. We compare where Dove is coming from and where Dove is now. But the fact is, we're just not in a good moment, not only as an individual, but as a team. And it's very difficult to point the standout performances. But I mean, I think it's part of the game, it's part of the game. In life, we'll always, go through those moments where things don't go the way we want them to go, or we want them to be. We can only focus on the future, the present, the future, and try and do our best each and every day.
Now, performance go into stages. You came from a point where we knew that you were an energetic person, and now you got to a level where we know that this is the peak of your performance. Do you feel that you're flowing, or you need some adjustments?
Now, obviously, not only as a player, as a human being, we improve every day, and I think I don't limit myself in learning every day, and that's part of the process. So obviously, there's things that I can still do better, and that's what I'm looking forward to.
From a player's point of view, Dove, where would you say, ahead of the new season that's coming, the team needs to sort of improve? Where are the areas of concern? Maybe signings that could improve in areas that you think need to be improved on?
I think there's so many points, but I think those are going to be sorted within the technical team and the players. I think we all know where we lacked, and that is up to us to make sure comes a new season we can fix and touch all the points that we need to touch.
And one thing that one can see from you, the way that you seated, the way that you express yourself, there's a lot of confidence about you. How have you been able to transfer that to the younger players and the team as a whole? Because of course we can see the confidence that you have in regards to how you express yourself.
I think the most important thing is us knowing that we are one. There's no older, there's no younger. We need the younger players. We have a lot of young and talented players, and they need to understand that to help the team doesn't only come from older players. We see now worldwide younger players showing up, and they need to realize that. And as senior players, we can only do as much, trying to make them understand that they're important and the team really needs them.
Going, thank you.